Starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Starbucks going about 3.5 miles. Hello. Esmeralda? Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, they really need to rethink their font that they use for the numbers here, because their 5s look very similar to 6s. And that was a no tip. Very nice. Total for that was $4. Got the next order right away though. This is a Taco Bell, $10 going 4 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. Pretty positive this is going to that one customer that gave me $100 cash tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and give him an extra thank you message before I drop it off. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, $7 going 2.5 miles. All right, I did send him a nice message, but I also left their Taco Bell bag kind of in shambles. So hopefully they don't think I grabbed something out of it. I left it pretty much wide open because they didn't sticker it up right. That's not my fault. I just grabbed it the wrong way and it busted right open.
Hello, welcome to
Welcome to McDonald's. Can you from unlock today?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Completed those 2 Uber orders in less than half an hour. Not bad. Got this pretty much right away. It is a Carl's Jr. This one is going just under 2 miles.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Morning.
Morning. Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Meh, easy enough. Total for that one was $6 and change, and got the next one right away. This is the Human Bean, $7 going 3 miles.
Have a great rest
Thank
of your
you.
day.
You too. Going right back to the Human Bean. This is going 2 miles.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, thank you. Total for that one was $5 and change, and got the next one right away. This is Starbucks going 5 miles. Hello. We've got Michelle.
For delivery?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Not the right house. Total for that one was $6 and change. Shout out to the GPS for taking me to the wrong house, and shout out to my newly acquired flashlight for fixing that mistake. Just paid for itself. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $9 going 2 miles, 5 items. This one I might be unassigning though, because it's got quite a few deli items, like the ready-to-eat stuff, and that might not be available. It's a little too early. What was the name?
Ryan.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is $7 going 3.5 miles. haven't been here in a while, and I feel like every time I do go there, it's an issue. So wish me luck. Got a Jamba Juice going 4 miles. Hello. I had a DoorDash from Talissa. Thank you. You too. Of course that was a no tip. Why was I even expecting otherwise? Total for that was $5 and change, and got this next one right away. It's a shop and deliver for Safeway, $8. Going 2 miles, 2 items. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $8, going 4 miles, 2 items. Got this as I was dropping off. It's a shop and deliver for Walgreens, $9, going 2 miles, only 1 item. Okay, I've been driving around for like 20 minutes and haven't received anything, so I think it's time to start driving home, and if I don't get anything, so be it. Current time is 9:23. Current total is 87, and waiting on a bunch of Uber tips, like 4 or 5 of them, so I've got no idea what the total is going to be, but I'll throw it up on the screen. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.